Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you unique style of making lemon butterfish curry. For making this recipe I have taken half kg butterfish. I have washed the fish. Now I will marinate the fish with Malvani fish curry masala. For making any type of sea fish recipe, Malvani fish curry masala is good. Add a tablespoon Malvani fish curry masala. Rub the masala with fish. I will not add any other masala, just I will use Malvani masala. Add little water and keep aside. Prepare half coconut, grate the coconut and 2 onion, make onion rings and 3 to 4 slit green chili in a kadai. Add 4 tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon mustard seed and few curry leaves. After the mustard seed splatter, add the onion rings. Fry the onion rings until is lightly golden color. For making this recipe, prepare onion rings. Don't chop the onion. Now add the slit green chili. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Mix well. Over medium to low heat, cook for a minute. Then add the marinated fish along with little water. If you don't like the thin curry of fish, then you can reduce the water. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes over medium heat. Stir occasionally. Now I will add some crushed whole spices. I have taken a small pieces of cinnamon and 10 to 12 peppercorn. I have crushed it. Now I will add some coconut water. Add water with grated coconut and pour it into the crushed whole spices. Cook with coconut milk and add a spoonful of salt. This recipe is incomplete without coriander leaves and lemon juice. Because its name is lemon butterfish curry, add slice of half lemon juice. Cook for 2 minutes. Our lemon butterfish curry is done. Serve with steamed rice. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.